Hello, hello. Let's go back into the Artisanal Sudoku archives. We're going to play Junket by James Sinclair. We have normal Sudoku rules apply. We have arrows and we have thermometers. All right, let's see what we can do. Okay, so this is minimum of 6. So let's see. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is a maximum of 4. Could it be a 9? Yeah, that could be a 4, 3, 1. What about this one? So this is 1, 2, 3, 1. So this is 7, 8, or 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Let's see. 5, 2, 1, 1. No, that could not be. Because these two right here have to be 3, 4. It would have to be 3, 4, 1, 1. Because if it was 3, 5, oh, that wouldn't work. If it was 4, 5, that wouldn't work. So 3, 4. So this has to be 3, 4, and then this has to be 1, 1. And then this, no, yeah. So then this is a 9. Because that's 7, 8, 9. Okay. That's something. So then this is 1, 2, and that's a 2, 3. Same here. 1, 2, and 2, 3. Okay. So then we know 9 has to be, no, because it could also be here. I'm just gonna remove that for now. So 1 could be here and here as well. So what do I see? I'm not good with arrow puzzles. Okay, but if this is 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, but this could be 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, this one though. This has to be only up to a 5, 6 because it's on an arrow. 6, 1, 2, 6, 2, 1. But okay. So then this one though, 4, 6, 7. Okay, that one can be higher. Okay, what else do we see? Yeah, arrow Sudoku is not my bread and butter. Okay, over here. No, that's not. Can't do anything with that yet because there could still be so many options. So 1 can be in a bunch of spots there. 1, how about in this? It could be here and here. All right, I'll just put that in. Cannot be here because if a 1 on our thermometer can only be in the bulb, it cannot be anywhere else. All right, so 9 in this box can only be in these squares because it cannot be on this. A 9 cannot be on an arrow. It can only be in the center. Unless it was like here and then here, then that would just be equal. Okay, so then we know 9 is here and here. Okay, so then these two and these three. Okay, so we know 9 is in the center here. And then 9s can be here, or here, 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 and then everywhere in the center. Okay, so I don't think that's going to be helpful. No. Yeah, remove that. Okay. So we do have a 3-4 pair in this box. Let's see, so if this is a 3, let's go with this is a 4, that'd be a 5, 6. 5, that'd be 2, 1, 2, 3. Wait, hang on, let's try that again. So if this is a 4, 5, 6, that'd be 2, 1, that'd be 2, 3, 4. And that can't happen. So this forces this to be a 3. I think okay, that's the way I'm reading it. I think that's right. Now, okay, so this could, oh man, oh, excuse me. All right, so that cannot be an 8 and that can't be a 7. Okay, so 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, okay. So, 4's gonna be there, 3's, okay. 2, 4 can be here. Huh. I don't know. Let's see, what else? All right, so the 1s have too many options. Because it could be here. Okay, and a 2 does not have to be on this thermometer at all, because it could be a 1, 3. All right, let's see. Let's check out the options. So if this is 6, this would have to be a 1, 1, 2, 3. If it's 7, it could be 1, 2, 4. And if it's 8, 1, 2, 5. So I don't think this, wait, could it be a 2? Yes, it could be a 2. No, it couldn't. One, 3, 4. Wait, maybe, I don't think, damn it. All right, so if this is, let's say, if this is a 2 and that's a 3, then we would have to have, this would be, it'd be a 1, 4 or 1, 5. I think that works. I think that's okay. I'm like 10 minutes in and I've barely done anything. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay, so this cannot be a 6 or this has to be an 8. Because this is a maximum of 5, 6. It cannot be a 6 or 7, so it's an 8. Okay, so that puts a 7, 6, 5. Okay, that's helpful. Then the 8 is going to be here, and then 7's, no, so that puts the 8 in the center over here. Yeah, because it can't be on 8 on this. Okay, so if this is an 8, so then we know that the 1 has to go here. There has to be a 1, right? Yes, there has to be a 1. Oh yeah, and we could have figured that out by these as well. So it's a 1, 2, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 5 or 1, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's too much. Twos, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, can't even say it's a 5. Let me do those 5. All right, so 2s, 4s, 3s, 7s, 8s. Where's 9s though? Okay, no, I already did it. One over. I already tried that. All right, so if this could be, this cannot be a 3 because we have 1s. There's a 1 in there. Cannot be a 4. Could it be a 5? It could be a 5 because that could be 2, 3. 6 could be a 2, 4. 2, 4. Could it be a 7? 3, 4. Could it be an 8? 2, 7, 3, 5, 2, 6. No. Could it be a 9? It cannot be a 9. So this is a 5, 6, or 7, which, so I think the 2, no, 2 does not have to be on it. If it's a 5, it has to be a 2. If it's a 5 or a 6, it has to be a 2. But if it's a 7, it has to have a 3. Which is not helpful. Okay, so let's go over here. This cannot be a 3 or a 4 or a 5. Could it be a 6? 6 would have to be, it could be 1, 5, which it can't be, 2, 4, which it can't be, 3, 3, which it can't be, so it can't be a 7. How about 6? How about a 7? Can't be a 1, 6, can't be a 2, 5. Wait, hang on, I did that wrong. So, no, I did it right. 7 could be a 3, 4. How about 8? 8, 2, 3. Could it be a 3, 5? It could be a 3, 5. How about 9? Could be a, can't be a 3, 6. Can't be a, could be a 4, 5. Okay, so that's a 7, 8, 9. If I succeed at this puzzle, I'm going to be so happy. Wait, this can't be a 6. This has to be a 5. Because if it's a 6, it'd be a 1 and a 1. So it's a 5. That's a 4. So then this is now a 2, 1. Okay, so then we can... So now the 1 has to be here. And that becomes a 3, 4. Nope. 3, 4. Okay. Alright, so then we can hammer out these. Oh man, was that why it was taking so long? Because I didn't see that. So that becomes, this is an 8. Okay. Good. Now I have something at least. Okay, so this cannot be a 1, 7. Could be a 2, 6. Could be a 3, 5. 2, 6, 2, 6. 3, 5, 3, 5. But that can't be a 2, so that can't be a 6. This can't be a 5, so that can't be a 3. Okay. Now, The 8, because it can go there. But 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Oh, this is a 5. Okay. Which puts the 5. 5's up here. This is a 5. Could not be a 7. If it's a 5, it'd have to be a 3, 5, or 4. So 3 or 4 if that's a 5. Okay. Plenty of options to go with that though. Okay, so now the 1 is here. Where else? Okay, so I should be able to finish this one off. Yeah, so the 1 is here, so this is an 8. So then this is an 8. And then I can limit the 8s to this. So then we can put the 9s here, and then the 9 is forced there. 9, 8, 7. So then this is a 5, and then we're looking for a 2, 6. 2, 6 there. Okay, so this can't be a 5. So now it's a 6, 7. So the 4 has to be here, right? Because if it's a 6, then this cannot be a 1, 5. It could be a 2, 4. And those are the only options. With a 7, it can't be a 1, 6. No, it can't be a 2, 5. So it'd have to be a 3, 4. So the 4 has to be here, which puts the 4 there, and that's a 3. Now that's a 4. Okay. So then this is a 2, and that's a 6, which puts 2 and 6 there. Okay, so then we have 3, 7, 8, 9. So this is an 8, 9, and then this is 3, 7. Okay, then this is a 2, which puts this as a 4. Oh, okay, so I can hammer that out. That's a 3, then that's a 5. So that's not a 5 anymore. 2, so then the 2's are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, butts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's a 5. Then 8, 9 is down here. Oh, up here's a 3. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is a 6, and then we have a 7, 9 pair. 3, 4. This is 5, 6, 7. That's not a 5. Okay, so then this is 2, which puts that as a 2. 1, 2. And then we have 3, 4. Okay, so then this is an 8, and then that puts this as a 5. Can remove that 5, so this is a 5. Okay, remove that 8, so then we have 1, 2, this is a 3, so this has to be a 4 or 6, and it can't be a 6, so it's a 4, so 4's up here, that's a 3, so then this is a 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, so this is now a 6, 9, nice, and it can't be a 6, I mean it can't be a 9, love that for me. And then this is a 7, and then this down here is a 4, which puts the 4 up here, and this is another 6, 9, move that 4, gonna solve this box over here, push 8 and 9, and then this puts that as an 8, so this is an 8, this is a 9, that's an 8, this is a 6, that's a 9, okay, so up here is a 9 as well, which this is a 9, that's a 7, that's a 9, okay, this is a 2, 5, 6, 7, so this is a 7, this is a 6, and this is a 6, and this is a 7. Wow, oh my goodness, that took me forever to do. Thank goodness